everyone, and happy Easter. I hope everyone is having a great time, whether you're with your loved ones, with your friends, or if you have plans today just to go out, or if you have your children. Well, I at the moment am on my own, but my children and my wife will be coming back sometime tonight after their week-long trip. So I am super excited because I've missed my boys, I have to say. Yeah, it's something I'm super excited about. Anyway, I have a couple of announcements. I've just achieved over 500 subs. In fact, currently I'm at 510 subscribers. So thank you all. That means a lot to me. It's something that I was really looking forward to. It was a goal to actually hit this last year, but I'm more than happy to have, oops, I'm still covered in polish. I'm more than happy to have hit this year, so that's cool. I've been on YouTube now for over 9 years. However, I've only been involved with silver on YouTube, where I started showing some stuff and how to detect fakes over a year ago. So it's pretty cool. The community is pretty awesome on this front. Anyway, I have a really cool package, and this is coming from Stacker Queen, and it's something I really look forward to. So let me pause the video and I'll open it up because it looks like it is going to be a right pain to open. So give me a minute. I'll be right back, guys. Okay. Thank you guys for that. Anyway, right. So I'm at Stacker Queen. As you can see, I've unboxed, by the way. I'm at Stacker Queen through eBay. I immediately noticed her address, and then I looked at, obviously, her history of stuff. You know, as you do, you check someone out before you buy something from them. And I noticed she was selling silver, and I thought, oh, wow. So I sent her an email, and anyway, she responded, and I found out she was registered, you know, with an assay office as well. And, you know, her kind of poured silver also is, or when she started, it's about the same time that I've started. So that's pretty cool as far as like being assay. So that's pretty cool. And I have to give her a massive thumbs up for that. So, you know, well done. Anyway, I decided to buy 2 molds off of her. And I did ask her, have they been used? She said yes, once. And what was poured in them? And she said, you know, it was just pure silver. That was it. So, you know, questions out of the way. That was fantastic. So the first one I bought, I thought, well, why not? Let's have a little giggle, right? And see this poison bottle with the really super cool skull there. Now, I already see in my head where the hallmark's going to be, where the serial number is going to be, where my logo's going to be, and the assay mark. And I think they're all going to be on the front, believe it or not. That looks really cool. And by the way, I have to give her a lot of credit and props for how she's wrapped things up. They were intensely packed. I spent about 5 minutes on pause, so glad you guys weren't watching. Before I open up this one, I just want to say that at some point, most likely on Friday, because I'm going to have to, I think I'm going to skip Monday and Wednesday's video. I might do one kind of somewhere in there, but my normal videos for Monday and Wednesday are probably going to be on hiatus. Because, as I said, I've hit over 500 subscribers. 500. Now, I am going to be doing a massive giveaway. And I have several ideas of prizes. As you guys already know, I definitely have some prices, which are, as you can already see here, but I'm thinking I'm going to do something else a bit more. I have the bear and the bull on that side. I have some stuff maybe from Cole's Coins. I have some 50p. But I don't know. I'm looking at what am I going to add to this to really celebrate my 500 subscriber giveaway. And when I hit 1,000, I am going to be giving away the next element up. Oh yeah. So, right, so let's crack on. What I got? Very heavy one here. Oh, ho, ho. I have this spade. She said it took about 14 ounces. I don't think this is the same one. However, it is by far super cool. It's the same shape that I want it to be for me to try. I reckon this is only a couple of ounces. This is not a 14 ouncer. I'm not quite sure what these divots are supposed to be. The pictures that she sent to the pictures that I have, I thought these were going to be skulls. However, one doesn't fully know, I suppose, until we pour it. So I will be pouring one of these and seeing what they are like, because I look forward to it. And this looks almost brand new. I mean, it really does look brand new, to be fair. But yeah, super, super cool. And I can't wait to see what comes out of it, because it is something that looks pretty fun and funky to mess about with. So yeah, I'll pour this, see how I get on, and I'll let you guys know. I'm really digging this, actually, to be fair. Initially I thought, oh, it's just kind of gimmicky, blah, blah, blah. But you know what? That's kind of cool. I do like to have a poison bottle. That's super cool. Anyway, so I would like to extend my multiple amount of thanks to all my subscribers, to everyone who's followed me, and just thank you. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the like button, share the video around. I will be announcing what the competition rules are, what I'm giving away, and so on and so forth on Friday. But for now, you know, go over, check out acebullion.co.uk. You could find a link inside of there as well to the Facebook group of Ace Bullion. You could also find me on the Silver Forum and Metals Mafia. And you'll find me basically pretty much anywhere that there is. So, thank you guys again. Thank you to the entire community. I'll be keeping up to date. Happy Easter one more time. And I will talk with you guys throughout the week. But expect that 500 subscriber video to be announced on Friday. So I believe that is Friday the 26th. So anyway, all the best. Bye for now. Have a great day.